Keto bread is a staple for individuals following a ketogenic diet, catering to those seeking low-carb alternatives to traditional bread. Its ingredients, typically devoid of gluten, make it an excellent option for gluten-free enthusiasts. The popularity of keto bread has surged as more people become aware of dietary sensitivities and the benefits of reducing carbohydrate intake. This type of bread not only helps in maintaining a state of ketosis but also supports a cleaner eating habit by excluding processed flours and sugars, which are common in standard bread. At the heart of keto bread are key ingredients like almond flour and coconut flour, which replace traditional wheat flours to keep the carbohydrate content low. Almond flour brings a rich, nutty flavor and a moist texture, making it perfect for a satisfying, chewy loaf. Coconut flour, on the other hand, absorbs more moisture and adds a slight sweetness and lightness to the bread, enhancing its palatability. These flours are not only pivotal for their textural contributions but also for their ability to impart distinct flavors that make keto bread a delightful and nutritious option. In the absence of gluten, keto bread requires alternative binding agents to maintain its structure and texture. Eggs are a primary choice, offering leavening properties that help the bread rise while also acting as a glue to hold ingredients together. Xanthan gum, a derivative from a sugar-like compound fermented by bacteria, serves as a crucial thickener and stabilizer. Its incredible binding capabilities mimic gluten's role by providing elasticity and moisture retention. Together, these agents contribute significantly to the cohesive structure of keto bread, ensuring it doesn't crumble while enhancing the overall mouthfeel. Keto bread utilizes baking powder instead of traditional yeast as its primary leavening agent. Baking powder, a quick-acting leavening agent, triggers rising as soon as it comes into contact with moisture, unlike yeast, which requires time to ferment and develop gases. This difference is crucial in keto baking because it simplifies the process and reduces preparation time while still providing the necessary lift to create a light and airy bread structure. By sidestepping yeast, keto bread also avoids the sugars needed for yeast fermentation, ensuring the final product remains low-carb and suitable for ketogenic diets. Keto bread often incorporates a variety of nutrient-rich seeds such as flax and chia, along with nuts and psyllium husk, to not only enhance its flavor but also boost its nutritional profile. These ingredients add a pleasant texture and depth to the bread while providing essential fatty acids, proteins, and fiber. Flax and chia seeds are well known for their omega-3 fatty acids, benefiting heart health and inflammation. Psyllium husk, a potent source of soluble fiber, improves digestion and gives the bread a satisfying, bread-like texture. Together, these additions make keto bread a wholesome, tasteful choice for health-conscious eaters.